Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Stage of the concrete operations. So this appears from the 7 to 12 years. So 7 to 11 years. And the operation thought is when the children start seeing others' perspective too. The children start seeing others' perspective and there is a concrete thinking. Concrete thinking means that there is a little thing. So little thinking is when that does not have deep thinking. So does not have deep thinking. So then comes the logical thinking. The logical thinking it starts to develop. That is able to understand the rules and regulations. So understand the rules and also the regulations. Now the attainment of conservation. The attainment of the conservations. So this is despite the change in the shape. So despite change in the shape, the object it remains the same. Then comes attainment. Attainment of reversibility. Attainment of reversibility is a thing that can turn into another and back again the original. So it can turn into another and back again to original. Now the example here is nothing but water to ice. So you have water to ice and also it is back to water. This is nothing but attainment of reversibility. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.